Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way
Oos, it is the say. What's up, konnichiwa. So in this video, more cool stuff from wonhobby Gallery 2023 Spring. And in this video, we take a look at the Max Factory, Yukihana Lamy. And this is a character from Hololive Production. And this is still not set for release yet. There's no release date, there's no price. But the sculpt is done, the coloring is done, and looks pretty awesome, I think. I was pretty impressed with this figure. Yeah, she looks great. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you again soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね。Oos. Thanks for watching.
Stay strong and